Gyfeillion, my friends, mae'n bleser mawr gen I fod yma I ddod â chyfarchion o Gymru ac o Plaid Cymru I chi, pobl Catalonia, rydyn ni'n sefyll gyda chi. There are many people in my country, in Wales, who support you, who want to show solidarity with you, the people of Catalonia. I'm pleased to have the opportunity to express that to you, to tell you that here today, that we stand with you. Yesterday, our National Assembly, our Parliament in Wales, passed a resolution expressing that solidarity from Wales. Catalonia will change Europe. However much Europe is resisting that change, because a peaceful democratic process driven by the people can never be ignored. A peaceful democratic process cannot be stopped by violence or oppression. The right to self-determination is enshrined in international law. You have the right to determine your own future. Voting is not a crime, so we add our voices to the calls for the immediate release of all the political prisoners. This is about justice, it's about democracy, and it's about politics. I am a member of the European Parliament, but many of us are working for a different kind of Europe, a Europe of the peoples, within which we are all equal, and within which Catalonia and Wales and other countries can find a home. The EU response to events since the 1st of October represents and reflects the failure of the Europe of the states to understand or engage with the real peoples of Europe. Our voices will not be silent until the EU and European governments end their silence. We will not be silent until there is respect for democracy and human rights in Catalonia. Muchas gracias, diolch yn fawr, thank you.